And yes, as you can see, this is a successful withdrawal I have received from the platform I'm come to talk about. This is legit. This is not a scam. This is an ultimate affiliate platform. Hook in and let's make money together. Let's start. This is a new platform called WinXtra, launched just yesterday, and it is paying massively. Alright, it is paying massively. So after registration, you just activate your account with 20 Ghana cedis, and for any person you refer, just copy your unique referral link, share it to your friends, and you're going to get 10 cedis for any person you refer. So this is my active referrals for now, and so far I've gotten 20 Ghana cedis. I've gotten 13 people referred, and these are my referrals. I am here to tell you this platform is paying. It is legit, actively working, and this is not a Ponzi scheme. This is just an affiliate site. So in order to test and know whether it is working perfectly, I'm trying to request for a withdrawal so we see how it works. So when you are registering the account, make sure you use your actual mobile money number, because that is the same number you'll be withdrawing to. So I'm going to request for my 20 Ghana cedis withdrawal, and the minimum withdrawal is 20 Ghana cedis. Perfectly, I'm going to request for withdrawal, and let's see how it goes. So withdrawal requested successfully. Now let's wait and see if it will be withdrawn. WinXtra is the ultimate platform currently. Let's join and make money together.
Well, today is a new day. Give thanks to life. All praises to the Lord, to see if I'm sanctified. Now make them stress me. Me a whole vibe.
So as you can see, yesterday I requested for withdrawal 20 Ghana cedis, and just few minutes after today I've gotten 30 Ghana cedis. This is some coins at least I can use for Kelly Willy. So there's no need to go and bet somebody for 10 cedis for airtime. That is a shame. Register with 20 cedis. Just tap on the share referral link, and once it comes, copy your unique referral link and tap on any of these platforms to share it. Share it to people. Tell them to activate their account with just 20 Ghana cedis. The more they are activating, the more you are going to get your referral commission. Imagine getting 10 people to register this, then that means that you are almost 100 Ghana cedis a day. This is an ultimate passive income, not a Ponzi scheme. This is like network marketing or affiliate marketing. Don't be thinking about Ponzi. Forget the scam mindset, and let's hook on this free platform. And they can also be giving some bonus tips in their main group. Don't forget to join their main group after registration, because they have been doing some lottery over there, and the winner takes about 100 cedis or so. This is WinXtra, launched recently, and trust me, it is going to be a forever platform. I've already talked about it. This is not a Ponzi. I'm having total earnings is 50 Ghana cedis. It was launched just yesterday, and I'm having 50 Ghana cedis. I'm going to do more referrals, and I'm going to earn more. I'm not joking. As you can see, I deposited 20 Ghana cedis and I've withdrawn 20 cedis. This means that I have even taken my capital back. The remaining benefit is basically going to be for only profits. Keep sharing, just keep sharing. Tell your friend, create broadcast links, share it to people, share your unique referral link, and we are going to earn. WinXtra is the ultimate affiliate platform, launched recently, and this is not a Ponzi scheme. When your withdrawal is delayed, just be patient, because withdrawal processing takes 1 to 24 hours. Just need to be patient, and the administrators are going to work on everything for you. I can request for withdrawal again, but I'm not requesting yet because I want to accumulate more, and I'm going to. But for you, don't make sure you don't compound your money. Keep withdrawing, keep referring. Let's keep money and sleep, refer and sleep. That is basically everything. So you can tap on it to know more about us, and that is basically WinXtra. So financial freedom, community growth, security platform. Then you can also text, email, or contact support. You can join the WhatsApp group, and everything you need to know about WinXtra. This is the ultimate platform. Join and let's make money together. This is Max Blueprint. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money making updates. Thank you.